Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add money from Walmart gift card to your Cash App account. In the beginning, I will tell you that there is no direct way to link your Walmart gift card to your Cash App account. First of all, you need to log into your Walmart account and you need to buy the Visa prepaid gift cards on Walmart, guys. As you can see, there are different options. For example, you can buy the vanilla gift card, guys. It's similar to debit card. So once you will buy the prepaid gift card on Walmart, then you can open the Cash App account and you need to click your profile icon in the top right, scroll down until you will see linked banks, and then go to the linked debit card, and right here you need to enter the Visa gift card information, guys. So you need to enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code, and you need to click the green link card button in the bottom, guys. Once you will link the card to your Cash App account, then you can use it, guys. So just click the bank icon in the bottom left, click add money, select the amount, and choose the Visa gift card from the list. So that's how you can add your Walmart gift card to your Cash App account. That's all. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.